We've just been and done a little bit of shopping at Sainsburys. We've spent £43 and got 8 Diet Pepsis cans. They were £1.99. I think they were half price. Some white potatoes. We're trying for the first time fragrance-free Sainsbury's Little Ones baby wipes. They were £3 for 4 packs of 80. Bird's Eye Rice Fusions. 2 individual portions of Mediterranean vegetable rice. They were £1 per pack. And I'm going to check the sin value for them. Hopefully they're going to be free. But anyway, we'll find out. 2 packets of Moroccan style savoury couscous. Because Dean wanted some couscous. Some Blossom Hill Sauvignon Blanc wine for Dean. Some mushrooms. Some cheese spread for Ava. Some Laughing Cow Light with blue cheese. Some seafood sticks. Some salmon, smoked salmon trimmings, which look like that. They're nice. A few bananas. Some of Ava's Rice Krispie multigrain shapes. 4 Muller Greek style fat-free coconut yogurts. 2 packets of carrot and broccoli, which are going to be for tonight. 2 cheese and broccoli pasta sauces. A packet of Organics carrot and tomato rice cakes for Ava. Some of my simple spotless skin cleansing wipes. Chinese 5-spice. Balsamic vinegar. Light soy sauce, as Dean wants to try a Slimming World sweet and sour chicken. Apparently this is what makes it up with sweetener. Sardines in tomato sauce. 10 packets of plain porridge for Dean for work. Some super sensitive flushable toilet tissue wipes. And 5 little feeding spoons for Ava to have a go at feeding herself, as now she's wanting to feed herself, so it's time to start letting her. And all of that came to £43. So that's today's shop. And as you can hear in the background, the dog's home and she's barking, causing problems, little monster.